Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Floki. It was definitely necessary. I mean, yesterday the market circumstances were not ideal, but there were some indications that Floki was doing something again, and we got it yesterday in the afternoon. We got a big bullish breakout above the previous high at 27,500. We did not necessarily respect the breakouts, but we are still respecting the bullish momentum, right? I mean, you can see that we pushed down towards the 28 EMA, which was also around 25,000. So we did respect a strong support level, just not the closest one. But we respected that, and right now Floki, in all honesty, just to make this video very quick then, it still is bullish. And I still think the most likely scenario is that it will go up. Now, there are some other things you need to know, and I'll first do my talk about Floki and why I think it's more bullish. So if you're not interested in that, just skip ahead like a minute. But Floki right now is bullish for multiple reasons, all right? I think to a certain extent, Floki is manipulated. I think that's just the truth. Now, Floki itself, and I've said this before as well, I think it's one of the best meme coins there is. Like, they are trying to create a serious project with a meme coin next to it. That's bullish, I think, and especially if you look at the market cap compared to some of the bigger meme coins, there is still potential to grow. So you have that, which is bullish fundamentally. And then they're also backed by DWF Labs, which are, you know, quite notorious for investing in good projects. Let's keep it at that. So that is true. But then if you look at the volume, you see a lot of volume coming from Turkish sources, from Pionex, from BitDump, from SuperX. Usually, if that's the case, there is some manipulation going on. So I think Floki is great. I think fundamentally it's strong, but there is some manipulation as well. So now that we got that out of the way, let's focus on the technicals, all right? Because technically, if I would look at this like an analyst, what I would say is that 25,000 is our main support with the 236 FIB and the 50 EMA right here. That's our main support, and then our main resistance level is right here around 30,000. And what we need to get is some sort of a breakout here. And it looks most likely, just to cut to the chase, that will be a bullish breakout. Like, I would be very surprised in these market circumstances with an open interest that's still quite high for Floki. I would be surprised if we don't get that bullish breakout. But then again, I mean, I've been surprised before. So in general, what I would say, especially in these market circumstances, where the funding rates are super high, like if you look at the funding rates across the map right now, they are very, very high. So what that means is that there is that means multiple things. But one of the things that means is that there's a higher chance of having big spikes down. So be prepared for that in general, but that also means that you should be a little bit more careful with how you're trading this. Like, the funding rates for Floki are not out of this world. They're quite fine, I would say. But still, Floki could spike down towards this level right here at 22 and 20,000 easily. So be prepared for that. But right now, look, the open interest is fine. So Floki has momentum. I would prefer some more momentum. So I would prefer this going up even more to create some sort of I don't know, some sort of a channel like this, right? A channel like this where the open interest is going up would be ideal. So that's something we'll have to monitor throughout the day, whether that's happening. If something like that would happen, I would easily say we'll break above 30,000 and we'll rally up towards 35,000. And I also do think this is the most likely scenario, but now the main reason why I think that's most likely is because of the fact of the technicals. Like, the technicals still look very bullish, and the technicals don't give any confirmation, especially not after such a strong support earlier this night, of any bearish momentum. So this is what I think is most likely, but ultimately I would wait for some sort of a breakout, because if something happens and Bitcoin becomes much more bearish and Floki drops down below 25,000, then all of a sudden we're not so bullish anymore. So that's the danger. But I'll keep you updated on this. For now, this is what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.